Is your Windows operating system reporting the core Threadpool Manager DLL failure? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's resync your file architecture and restore your system integrity now. Before we get into the technical process for Core Threadpool Manager, you can find a professional diagnostic utility for system environment review. This is the Core Threadpool Manager, a foundational API shim for thread pooling. It provides unmanaged routines for managing worker threads and asynchronous task execution, facilitating the high-performance system manifest. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. Since Core Threadpool Manager DLL is a protected OS component, the most reliable fix is to verify your system integrity. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to have Windows detect and restore any damaged system binaries. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Core Threadpool Manager message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. It is important to avoid manual installation of Core Threadpool Manager DLL if you are not a technical expert. One wrong move in your system directory can prevent your computer from booting entirely and result in data loss. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If library conflicts or resource allocation issues are present, the link below provides general information on managing Core Threadpool Manager dependencies. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Core Threadpool Manager workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.